Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are learning how to make carrot and date cake. This is actually an healthier alternative to making a cake, and I hope you enjoy this video. So first, we are going to rinse out the dates. Then we are going to open up the dates to remove the seeds, because in this recipe, we are not using the seeds of the dates. So to even bypass this method, because this is actually a hassle, boil the dates first. That's what I learned when I was trying out this recipe. Boil the dates first. It will soften up the dates. So from there you just cut, or you can even just open it and remove the seed. It's easier that way. So you boil this date for 5 minutes to soften it up, and this is what you get after. Add milk to the dates. Please add milk instead of water so that the cake will be rich. And then you blend roughly. Do not blend to a smooth consistency so that we'll be able to still see the date in the cake. You know it's a date cake, so you want to see that cake with dates in it. I divided the milk into two, so that I'm going to add this to mix with the dates after blending. Please do yours like that. The measurements will be in the description box. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to add our blended dates with milk. You can see how this looks. If you can even eat this alone, it was so good. Then we add melted butter. Mix thoroughly. Break the eggs. Don't beat the egg. And this is the consistency you want it to give you. Then you add the egg into the mixture. Mix everything together. Add flavor. Depending on your choice, you can add vanilla. Add your sieved flour to a bowl. Also add sieved baking powder. Please ensure you sieve all your dry ingredients. Ensure you sieve all your dry ingredients. Sieve your baking soda. Mix everything together so that they will incorporate with each other. Add sugar. If you've watched the video so far, please like and subscribe. Thank you. So we're going to mix dry and wet ingredients together. We're going to fold it in. Please, it's folding in, not mixing in, to avoid over mixing, because when you over mix your batter, it makes your cake to be dense, to be strong, and it will even be uneven. So please just fold it in gently. So I added water, and then I'm going to fold it in gently. Your cake is like your baby, you get, so you have to treat it gently, like to come out nice. And please do not fret over the lumps. That's what we want. That's the look we are going for. Yeah. This is the consistency your cake batter should give you. It should be falling off your spatula. That's how you know that you are going to get a moist and soft cake. And you are going to add roughly blended dates. Fold it into. Add shredded carrots. Guess what will happen is you're also going to fold it in. So you're going to grease your pan with butter and flour, so that the cake batter will not stick to the pan. You're going to pour your cake batter into your pan, and from this place you're going to start preheating either your pot or your oven, but in this video I'm using pot, so we're going to preheat the pot. And you're going to add roughly blended dates. And we're going to add carrots to complete the look. That is to give us carrots and date cake. You get. This is the preheated pot. I'm going to add my cake batter to it. Bake on low heat for 30 minutes. And this is it. The cake is ready. So a trick in baking is that when you finish baking, don't remove the cake or the pastry. Just leave it covered up in the pot. For about like 10 minutes, it darkens out the cake and brings out the color of the cake. Would you be trying this recipe at home? Look at how lush and how delicious this cake is looking. Look at it. Heaven. So moist and soft. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.